How to set up voicemail on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up voicemail on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the phone app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside it, just tap on the gear icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the call settings, just scroll down and tap on advanced settings. And now here, once you see the interface like this, just scroll down and tap on setup. And now here, inside the setup, there you can see your service and voicemail number. So here you can just tap on voicemail number, and from here you can simply enter your carrier voicemail number. For example, your SIM card number, your local carrier number, and if you don't know it, you can simply contact your SIM provider or check their websites. And now here, once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on OK to save it, and with that you can simply go back to the dialer. And now here, once you are in this section, just tap and press on 1 and it will automatically call your voicemail service. And here, when the call connects, you can follow the voice instruction to record your greetings and set up your mailbox. And from now on, you can press and hold 1 anytime to check your voicemail messages on your Android phone. And that's it. That's how you can set up voicemail on your Android phone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.